how to recover deleted messages on Telegram. So if you had a chat with an individual person and they just deleted the conversation, or maybe you did. So basically, if it is an individual chat with anybody, you just long pressed on it, you tap the delete button, and you also selected also delete for other person. Or if the other person did this same thing to you, can you recover that conversation? Unfortunately, no. On Telegram, you cannot officially recover permanently deleted messages as they are removed from both your device and even the Telegram servers, and that is why Telegram is banned in many different countries, because they don't allow proper tracking of the person and many people fall victim or scam to this. But one thing that I can tell is that if you received a message from someone, your Android phone received a notification, then chances are you could recover that. But for this, we're going to use a feature from our Android phone called notification history, and this setting must have already been enabled before. So to look for this, you can open up settings on your Android phone, and from there you can go to notification settings, look for it within any Android phone, and here you can look for the option called more settings and tap on the more settings option and look for this option called notification history. Now if you received any messages from Telegram, be it not only Telegram but any of the other applications, as long as you receive the notification of that, then you will be able to see the history of that notification within notification history of your Android settings. This is the only liable way to recover it, and even Telegram themselves cannot give you the data to deleted messages. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.